Hello, it's Potato King 64 here. It's been a while since I've posted, but here I am. I've gotten into Rubik's Cubes, and today I'm going to solve every single Rubik's Cube I own. These are all that I own at the minute. I'm working on getting some more, but I'm just going to time it with a little stopwatch there, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to talk about a few things while I'm solving, but otherwise, yeah, that's basically all. Okay, that's basically all. We're going to start with the easiest and work to the hardest. Let me just mix this last one up. And, hopefully I can get some not super embarrassing times. I'd say I get some respectable times. They're not the most amazing, but they're not terrible. My Rubik's Cubes are also not the greatest, as you can tell by how slow I have to turn this to mix it up. But, yeah, this is the pancake, and I'm going to start my timer when I'm ready. I do get 15 seconds to look at it and plan it out. I don't know if I'll need that for this. For this one, I just try something out, and it works pretty often, so, yeah. I guess I'm gonna go. 3, 2, 1. I don't remember how to do this perfectly. Yeah, I'm just gonna guess on these. I don't remember how to do it. So, I'll just not right. I was at the end. It's sad. This is really hard time. I was talking about me time. Oh, come on. No! As you can see, it's not completely solved. These are... No! What if I skip this one, maybe? You know what? I'm coming back to it. No, I have to do it. I have to do it. Let's go. Okay. Okay. This is no, I'm gonna do a 2x2 for this. The next easiest. I am working on a new method for this one. I haven't nailed it completely, but I'm working on a new one. So I'm just gonna do a... Oh, I messed it up. Yeah, this method's kind of in between the one I just started learning and the beginner method. Okay, that was also pretty slow. Pyramix. My method for this is sometimes iffy, but it does, in fact, work, but sometimes it's slower than other times. It really depends. Again, I don't know if I should be holding this higher. Okay, left. Okay, 3x3. This is my first 3x3 that I actually bought. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna go with the simple method for now. The simple method for this part, at least. Does the first 2 layers at the same time. Oh gosh, my phone is dying. Here guys go. Don't you worry, I got you. Okay, and continue. But yeah, I'm doing the beginner's method right now because I don't want to mess it up. lap. Okay, here's another 3x3. This is the second one I bought. That was pretty lucky. Okay, here's third Rubik's Cube. This is my favorite one that I have, and the most recent one I've bought. Yeah, this one has magnets, so I don't know if I'm gonna time-lapse this part, because this part's a little faster than the other parts. But yes. Okay. Lap. Okay, 4x4. Definitely gonna have to time-lapse this part. This is gonna take much longer for a beginner. Okay, that must be on. Guess it's something else. That's my favorite. Hey, come back. No, I'll use this for you. How do we use it? Cool. You guys just already got it. How do I do this? Hey, so I'm going to Ruby. Now, yes, now I've got everything. Sometimes I don't care this time. I'm going to use that. Back up. Let's go. Just get it. And do the beginner's method for this part. Okay, finally done with that. Final one. This is the 5x5. This is probably going to take me like 10 minutes, so definitely gonna time-lapse this. Okay, we're good. We did not have the problem. Now it's just a 3x3, and we shouldn't encounter any problems at all, actually. I guess I might as well do F2L for some extra training. What? I messed up. Okay, I messed that piece up. We're good though. See how slow I am with F2L? As you guys can see, it took a while. Okay, now we're on the stuff that I know how to do. Oh my gosh, it's so much harder to use a decent 3x3 compared to, 5x5 compared to a decent 3x3. Time 23 minutes. It is reversed for you guys, but it does say 23. Let's look at these splits. So this thing did in fact take me 3 minutes and 26 seconds, which is sad because I could solve 3x3s in that time. Okay, I forgot how to do it. Okay. Then I did the 2x2 second. How long did that take me? I can't tell. It took me like 30 seconds, which isn't great for me, but it's not terrible. It actually doesn't this actually doesn't tell me oh gosh, I hope it didn't. The split timer reset my splits, but it's fine. But yeah, I'd say I'm most confident. I don't know. I've got a 9-second time on this. That's my best. My best time for this is, I think it's 47 or 41 seconds. It was on this Rubik's Cube, but still. 4x4, I think my best is like 5 or 4 minutes. This is 11 minutes. This was just under a minute. I definitely could get a better time. It's just, for me, for my algorithms, it's just luck-based. For this, I don't know, probably like 10 seconds. But yeah, thanks for watching. Pretty soon, I'm gonna do another running video. This is going to be the last running video on this channel. Hopefully, they'll all be on Potato King Plus, if you guys want to go watch those. Potato King Plus, go subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description. Bam. Thanks for watching.